What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this fancy type right effect on Canva. So how to cut the font and apply content in the middle of the font. This can work for free as well. So let's learn how to do this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your design, use the design into the size that you need, okay? Then review the left sidebar of menus, go to text and apply a title, okay? Into this title, you can type the content that you would like to cut, okay? Choose a new font, okay? In my case, I like this one right here. This one is okay. Now you're gonna make the font bigger, just like this, and centralize the font. Now the part is, go to the upper right corner of your screen into share button, hit the download, make sure that you have selected PNG, okay, and download this, okay. This is really important. After downloading, you can delete this, go to the uploads, hover your mouse over the upload files, select the font that you just have downloaded, and apply this into your page. Just like this. Move it all the way to the design, just like this. Now we have an image and we can right click on it and copy the image. So we're gonna duplicate the image, okay? Now let's select the first image and do like this. And let's select the other image and do like this. And we already have our image cut, okay? Of course, you can play with the size, you can change the position of the image, but now all we have to do is apply a new content into the middle of the image to create the design that you wish. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and use your creativity to create designs using this. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.